on Fox 10 Investigates, a Superior Court judge abruptly resigns after an incident with police, but Yavapai County did not release details initially on what led up to the resignation.
That's where we come in. And now Prescott police body cam footage shows the judge allegedly urinating in the street. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum has the video, the report, the court filings, after confirming the identity of the public official.
What are we doing?
Uber.
This is disgusting.
It's just after 1:30 in the morning on October 4th, and the woman who just pulled up her pants, sitting on the bench, is now face to face with Prescott police. She is Judge Pro Tempore Kristyne Schaaf Olson. The location is known to many as Whiskey Row at Montezuma and Gurley Street, on the same block as the Courthouse Plaza where Schaaf Olson works. A source who wishes to remain anonymous obtained this body cam footage, providing it to Fox 10. As the officers try to identify her, Schaaf Olson's husband gets involved.
Are you her husband?
Yep.
Okay. Can you hang out over by the cab for me?
Nope. Come on.
Yeah, you can, because I'm conducting an investigation.
For what?
Because I just saw her puking and urinating, exposing herself to several people.
That wasn't her.
That's Jason Olson, the judge's husband, and also the Parks and Recreation Manager for the town of Chino Valley. Police say Olson did not listen to instructions to back away, and as he's being detained, officers say he resisted arrest by tensing up his right arm before being taken to the ground.
You should have known. What the fuck?
Get your ass on the ground, dude.
I'm not doing anything.
5:15, we're fighting.
I'm not fighting.
Grab the cuffs.
The police report says Schaaf Olson showed signs of intoxication and slurred her speech. Schaaf Olson was appointed as a judge for Yavapai County Superior Court in 2023. She was a partner for her own law firm for 2 years and has been practicing law for a decade, according to her LinkedIn resume. If you listen closely, she emphasizes her official title.
Minimum, you're getting a ticket.
That's fine. My name is Judge Kristyne Olson.
The report also says several witnesses walked by minutes earlier and waved the officer down after they saw the judge urinating.
Are they visiting? I have no idea. She's useless. She can't even spell her name.
We reached out to the Yavapai County Superior Court for comment. The court administrator's initial news release just days after the incident said Schaaf Olson resigned to attend to personal matters. The latest statement from Yavapai County Superior Court says in part, the Superior Court is aware of the allegations against Judge Kristyne Schaaf Olson. This information was brought to the court's attention on October 4. Judge Schaaf Olson accepted full responsibility and formally submitted her resignation on Monday, October 6. To ensure coverage of her calendar, Judge Schaaf Olson agreed her last day on the bench would be October 31.
All right, this is your citation. It's a misdemeanor for urinating or defecating in public, okay? So you're going to have to sign it, promising to appear in court in about a month, all right? Your husband's going to be transported to the Yavapai County Jail.
Who's goofy ass?
He'll be booked in there.
Jason Olson was cited for resisting arrest, interfering with a crime scene investigation, and obstruction of government operations. His employer, the town of Chino Valley, has not responded to our request for comment. Body cam footage shows Judge Schaaf Olson struggling to sign the citation.
Nope, right here on the screen. On the screen.
Well, on the screen.
Her attorney tells Fox 10 that she had some sort of medical issue that night, which has no bearing on her performance as a judge, and he's confident that when more information comes to light in the appropriate forum, the matter will be resolved favorably. I'm just...
Man, she was just drunk. That's it. That is it. Look, she just had a drink. She was out there chilling, doing a thing. She just ordered an Uber. She out there drinking. And she got a piss. It was that simple. Now, why her thing was out that long, I can't answer that, because you got to put in context that they were able to get a call, the call come in, and then people are flagging the lady down to the police, which means she must have been on that motherfucker for a minute. She probably sitting on that bitch ass naked, sitting for like 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, let's say, minimum. You know what I'm saying? Ass naked on the little stoop, trying to piss or poop, whatever she was trying to do. But enough time for people to see the police down the street and flag the lady down. So it wasn't just random. He was just driving by and seen him. They must have got a call and got flagged down, like he said. Then, that's beside the point. She's a superior judge. Okay, cool, whatever. It don't really matter because she could just play it off, say she just peed on the ground or whatever, right? Maybe she had drugs in the systems that dequalify her because they're like, well, if you're pissing on the sidewalk, you must have some narcotics in your system, which is there's a possibility. Because why would you quit if just peeing on the side? That's not something serious. He just said he's gonna give you a ticket. That was it. So this guy her boyfriend popped up and turns a ticketed offense to a resisting arrest and impeding with an investigation. See, he came in here, Mr. Tough Guy. No, you're getting up. You're going with me. What the fuck, nigga? What the fuck is you saying? We made contact. You about to get your ass back. Talking about come with me. The judge knew. He had his hand out like, come with me. No, what? Now why would she come with you, Goofy? She know what it is. She know that it ain't no games to be played, right? And then he gonna try to fight with them. Bro, he told your ass to wait over there till you get done talking. She could have just got that ticket and kept moving. Like, I don't know if this dude's a judge, but this nigga's not smart. And that's that when that ego come in, it's like, oh man, I'm the boss. Like, no nigga, we don't know who the fuck you. They don't even know who this lady is. That's how unimportant these teachers be. Like, oh, I'm a judge. Like, okay, bitch, you still getting a ticket. I don't give a fuck if you the president. You getting a ticket for speeding. If you was speeding, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're not exempt. But I will say, like, this could have just been a ticket offense and move on with your life. She got the husband. The husband went out, started getting get arrested. They probably was going to dig something up because you got to understand, why would you make such an abrupt move so quickly for something so small? It's like you just peed outside. Whoop-de-doop, it's a ticket. And your man's got arrested for impeding for some reason, whatever. Why would you get what I'm saying? Why would you quit such a high-paying job or a high-status job where it's so high because you peed outside? Cool. You had to pee. You say you was waiting for Uber. Okay. Here's a ticket for peeing. We caught you outside peeing. You're not supposed to pee outside. Okay, cool. End of discussion. That's it. Unless there were children, then now we're talking to another ball game here. Because now you expose yourself in front of kids. We might have to put you on the list. You know what I mean? You know. So if she go on a list, maybe it disqualifies her, but her resigning is like, I don't know, maybe it's a smart move, but I feel like it was something much deeper. And it's like, I know you didn't just quit a good paying job over you peeing outside, unless they were legit quit, like kids out there. And then the parents are like, we got to sue this person because you just exposed yourself to my child. But then being a judge in the same county you probably work in, you probably get a slap on the wrist. So you should have just play the system. But a lot of people aren't thinking out these days. So y'all tell me what y'all think in this comment section, man. Would have been easy if she just would have just got the ticket, moved on. The boyfriend just sat in the car, just sat on the side. Would have been easy peasy, right? He would have just got a ticket and moved on. He could take her home. Instead, he thought it was a genius idea to fight with the cops. So now he's going to jail. And she's getting her ticket. She's going home. Really, he shouldn't even have been there. Let's just put that on Front Street right there. Y'all tell me what y'all think about that in the comment section. Or do you think that this person, somebody should have she's obviously just drunk, just let her be. Y'all tell me that in the comment section for real. While you're down there, make sure you like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to your boy, Angelo Savage. Peace.